In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio in Google Finance. Now you can do this both in the beta and the classic view as well, so I'm going to show you both. First, if you are in beta, which now opens by default when you go to Google Finance, you can go ahead and do this over here on the left, where as you can see it says lists. Now, of course, the portfolios and watch lists are now called lists. You can go and click on this plus button over here to create a new list, name it for example portfolio 1 or whatever you want to call it, and click on create. Now when you do so, a new portfolio is going to get created over here, and then you can edit this list by clicking on options over here or clicking the plus button and adding symbols. So for example, if I look for Apple over here, if I try to add something like DJI, I can go ahead and do that. And if I look for example, some ETFs, there we go, let's say this one, and let's say one Tesla as well, I can keep on clicking the plus buttons over here and they're gonna get added into my list over here, and I now have a portfolio. So I can click on that portfolio, it's going to pop up and I can see how it's doing, and that's essentially it. Now, of course, you can do it in the classic view as well, and if you're still using the classic view, up here top left you have the three lines which open the main menu, and here you actually have portfolios separately. So you can click on the plus button and you can create a portfolio over here. So I'm just going to name this one portfolio 1 again, there we go, and click on save. Now when you do this again, you're gonna basically get a portfolio. You can just click on add investments and you can just add the investments you want. So you can search for them, you could go and filter them, etc. And you can also add your quantities, your purchase dates, purchase prices, etc. So let's say when I bought like 1 in quantity of Apple stock, the purchase date was yesterday, and then the price is gonna auto populate, and then you can of course add more of them, or basically just save it, or save and add another. Okay, and that way you can essentially create your portfolio in Google Finance. That's how easy it is. Okay, so if you're actually trying to use like portfolio trackers, stuff like that, the best right now would be to use the classic view, but of course in future this might change. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.